Hello guys, have you ever cried in your life? Have you ever rolled out the tears from your eyes ever in your life? Today I'm going to talk the most relevant subject in front of you guys. Now, importance of crying in one's life. We all know that certain times in our life we cry, certain times in our life we go through a very bad situation and we just shed tears, we cry. So today's video is most important and I'll be teaching you, I'll be explaining you what happens when a person cries, what are the benefits of crying. So I'm not taking much of your time, let's go to the video. Hi guys, welcome to KR Media. So guys, as I told you, life is totally resembled with happiness, sadness, issues, joy. It's a mixture, right? So sometimes when we are very happy, we smile, we enjoy, we rejoice. At the same time, when certain situation comes in life and when we don't know what to do and we become helpless, what really happens is we feel like crying because things are not coming the way we want. Things are not moving the way we want. We feel so frustrated, we feel so irritated, we feel so exhausted, and then we feel like crying. Many people cry, but there are so many people even they feel shy to cry because they keep on the pain what they go through, they keep in their heart. Now scientifically it's been heard and it's been said that a person who is having pain in his heart and the emotions which you are not able to bring out through the form of tears, later on it can lead to deep depression. So what I mean to say is never get shy about crying. It's a form of emotions, but when things are not moving the way we want, when things are not coming the way we want, and it's not happening, when we feel loneliness, when we are feeling totally exhausted, we are fed up of everything, and we feel that it's the end of everything. That time we feel like crying. So cry for some time. Bring out that emotions through the form of tears from your eyes, so that your heart becomes, soft. Then after that, once you are crying, and when your emotions are out of your eyes, take a deep breath inside and take a deep breath outside. Have a glass of water. Then challenge yourself that yes, you can do it. It's not the end of life. It's not the last game. Everybody has problems. There are so many people around the world who has got more problems than us. So we need to compare with those people and never give up. Keep moving, take every step forward. And always remember this. And tell yourself that I am prepared for problems. I am prepared for challenges. Any bondages, any hurdles, any sort of obstacles comes on my way, I'm not going to stop, but I'm going to overcome it, and I'm going to win in my life. It doesn't matter how long it takes. It doesn't matter how propaganda it's going to take. It may take around 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, or maybe 50 years. Never give up. Keep moving. Keep smiling, be happy, be healthy. If you like this video, kindly click on the subscribe button below and press the bell button and share with all your friends. You will be getting such great contents in this channel. You'll be getting some great phenomenal positive energy with high frequency in this channel. So thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, God bless you all and have a great day. God bless you.